Welcome back to Hot Car Track and Mount Western Raceway, and these are from Blueline Racing. Check him out online. He has an excellent YouTube channel. Go over there, like, subscribe, and give him a thumbs up and a comment. It's not that hard to press that little red subscribe button. Go and do it, and then come back here and watch the rest of this. All right, we have 2 NASCARs, and we have 2 vans for Vantastic. Let's have a look at them. Let's have a look at this first one here. This is a Chevy, and this is going into Vantastic. Vantastic will happen after Road Warriors. Everything's around about a month late at the moment, so there's not much we can do about it. It just is how it is. This has got some weight in it, I tell you. And I'm looking forward to Vantastic and seeing how they all go on the track. Nice build, mate. I love that. These are all customs, as I probably failed to mention. I can't remember. This one here is a Dodge, I think it is. It's the Dodge. It's a custom 77 Dodge. Yet another nice looking custom rig here for Vantastic. We'll put him up the start gate and see how they go. Nice builds, mate. Very, very nice. And then we've got 2 NASCARs. We've got the 60. Hang on a sec. We've got the, I'm wrong, we've got the 10. The Hot Wheels 10. That's a nice looking one. These are all customs too, by the way. NASCAR will happen sometime after Vantastic. I'm looking forward to NASCAR. NASCAR will also happen on the new track. If the new track is built and it runs as good as this. It has to actually run better than this, because if it doesn't, I'm scrapping it and I'm coming back to this. And this last one is another NASCAR. This is the 44. This is a Hot Wheels 44. So yeah, we'll put those up at the start gate and give them a spin down the track. A big thank you, Blueline Racing, for sending in all these wonderful customs for NASCAR and for Vantastic. Don't forget to head over to his channel, give him a like, subscribe, leave a comment, watch his vids. He has some great racing and it's a real good vibe over there. So go and check him out. Subscribe. All right, guys, thank you so much. Until next time, catch you later.